Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with my dad. And we're gonna do some bike riding. It's a zip line. Oh my god, is it a playground?
Yeah, it's a zip line treetop playground at Swell Park.
Swell Park. We're gonna do some bike rides. We're gonna set up a drone, get some drone shots today if we can. Alright, well, we didn't get the drone working, but that's not gonna stop us. There's a plane. It's a plane. It's a bird. It's just a plane. Alright, it's gonna be a rough ride, so I'm not gonna be able to record the whole time. It's a very bumpy ride. This is gonna be a really short video. Might even be shorter than the Spider-Man one. Yeah, so here's the trail right here. It's gonna be very shaky because I'm trying to concentrate on riding. This is gonna be the silliest video. Whoa, it's getting really rocky. Okay, I'll catch up to you guys at the end of the hill. When I said this was gonna be a short video, I was like serious. Cause like, I just skipped that hill because it was just super intense. I slipped at the end of it. But I'm gonna try to make this happen. So whenever it gets real bumpy downhill, I have to stop. Like right here is rough. You guys can tell how rough it is because of how like shaky it is. Oh. So guys, I wrecked right here.
They're getting me going down the hill.
Hey, wait. Here's what I'm about to go on. This is a bad idea. Okay, well, this is gonna be a really shaky video. I keep accidentally stopping the recording because it's just so crazy. Okay, we're going uphill now. Oh! Yep. Skip to this part.
You okay?
I'm okay. I'm done though. I'm done. I can't do this anymore. Let's go back.
Well, this is okay. Yeah, that was a quick ride. I kind of crashed and just said I'm done. So, yeah, we're going back to the car.
I'm fine, by the way. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. I thought it was way worse, but I crashed 3 times. That's why I said I was done. But yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.